What we have is a revolutionary model here at FundKite.
Most funders and lenders require a fixed monthly payment.
It's not fun. They're going to ask you for everything.
When your business does well, you're going to pay more. When times are slow, you're going to pay less.
There's no minimum payments.
We reconcile on a daily basis.
We do in 24 hours, they do in 4, 6, 8, 12 weeks.
We're not looking for perfection. We're looking for real businesses.
Our success at FundKite is really based on your success. What we have is a revolutionary model here at FundKite. We created a repayment model based on your sales, on a percentage of your sales. When your business does well, you're going to pay more. When times are slow, you're going to pay less. When you have no sales, you have no payment at all. It's that simple. This isn't just a different product. It's a completely different philosophy.
So with FundKite, with our program, there's no minimum payments. This is critical to our success and what separates us from our competition. If your revenue goes down 50%, your payment's going to go down 50%. If your revenue goes up 50%, it's going to go up 50%. This is really, really important to helping, one, merchants feel comfortable. Their cash flow is never going to be hurt. We're here to help the merchants, not hurt them. You might have a restaurant that has a slow week. You're going to be in trouble if all of a sudden you have a big payment that's due, daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever it is. So our system, revolutionary, reconciles in real time. One thing that I know for a fact there's not any bit of our competition does. It's a huge help to merchants.
Let's walk in here. We have Darlenis and Lori, and they're part of our underwriting team, and they're fantastic. Girl power. They just do an incredible job here. So you're working with merchants, you're underwriting their documentation to see if we can provide them funding, right? What advice would you ladies give a merchant when they're applying for funding?
I'd say they have to know their business in and out. I can't even tell you how many times we get on a call with a merchant and then we ask them simple questions about their business and they really have no clue how to answer, like very simple questions. So my first thing would be for them to know their business, know what they do, and also know how to market themselves.
The passion of an entrepreneur to drive their business is just as important sometimes as the business. Yeah. Knowing what you're doing and what you're gonna do going forward, right? That's important in any discussion.
Definitely.
All right, cool, thank you ladies.
We can approve businesses in as little as 4 hours and have the funds in their account within 24 hours. How? Because we've built proprietary technology that analyzes real-time bank statements and cash flow patterns instead of relying on outdated credit reports and financial statements that might be months old. Our underwriting platform looks at your actual business performance, daily deposit, transactions, patterns, seasonal trends. We see the real picture of your business, not just what happened 2 years ago. This technology allows us to make smarter, faster decisions that traditional banks simply cannot match.
We have to understand the industry, the location, how cash flow is generated, because we're actually buying future receivables, future cash flow, or a portion of it. We had to look at a business and figure out a completely different approach. That wasn't a very traditional approach, and so again, there's no course I could take anywhere. Even today, we learn something new every single day because we might see an industry that we've never seen before. And I always say that no two businesses operate alike. You can take a franchise, a well-known franchise located in the middle of Manhattan, and you can take the same franchises located in the middle of Oshkosh. Different expenses, payroll, different customer base, different type of marketing, different kind of cost of goods. Everybody requires an individual approach and look at what's going on. And that's what we're really good at, understanding what you do compared to what is the standard. Is there a standard? There is no standard in how people operate their small businesses.
Most funders and lenders require a fixed monthly payment or they reconcile monthly. That doesn't always fit with a borrower's cash flow. Many times their business may be seasonal, and if they have a large fixed monthly payment, that's hard to make in their slow periods. We reconcile on a daily basis, which means If their sales go down, their payments go down. If their sales go up, their payments go up. So it's much more flexible for the merchant to have reconcilements on a daily basis.
When we provide funding, we purchase your future receivables, and we're going to collect the receivables we purchased at a fixed percentage rate. Not an interest rate, but a fixed percentage rate of your sales. So let's say our collection or percentage rate is 10%. Tomorrow, you generated $100. Your payment to us will be $10. The next day, you generated $300 in sales. Your repayment to us will be $30. On day 4, you generated no sales. You will have no payment that day to us.
We work with businesses that have been operating for just 6 months, generating $10,000 or more in monthly revenue, with credit scores starting at 550. We're not looking for perfection. We're looking for real businesses, real cash flow, and real potential. The process is straightforward. Submit your application with bank statements, receive your personalized offer, finalize the simple documentation, and get funded. No business plans, no collateral requirements, no endless paperwork, just real business data and real decisions.
Let's talk about approvals. We've processed over 250,000 business applications. We've provided approvals on over $2 billion in offers to merchants for funding. Our approval rates are high because we don't look at simply your credit score. We look at the whole picture and you as an entrepreneur looking for immediate capital to service the needs of your business.
So I don't know if you've ever applied for a traditional loan with a bank, but it's not fun. They're gonna ask you for everything. They're gonna ask you for collateral. They're gonna ask you for personal guarantees. We do in 24 hours, they do in 4, 6, 8, 12 weeks. We're trying to have this done for you within 24 to 48 hours because you need the money now. Nobody needs financing for 6 months from now.
While banks give you an automated rejection and faceless customer service, we have personal account managers who actually understand your business and will go through it. You're not dealing with a call center in another state or country. You're working with people who know your industry, who've seen businesses like yours succeed, and who are invested in your growth. Our success at FundKite is really based on your success. If you continue to grow and have revenue, then we're able to collect the receivables we've purchased through the funding we've provided. So we're not brokers, we're not middlemen, we are the source of capital. Our team makes the decisions in-house. That means faster approval, better terms, and direct accountability. When you work with FundKite, you're working with decision makers, not someone who has to ask for permission from someone else.